Millions of drivers unknowingly pump fuel that slowly destroys their engines. Weak detergents are behind rough idles, clogged injectors, and, no joke, about 7 in 10 garage visits start from this mess. And those repair bills, they can shoot past $4,000 fast. Today, I'm warning you about the 9 gasoline brands you should never use, and then show you the 5 that actually protect your engine for the long haul. These trusted fuels are why my rigs keep running past 300,000 miles. Let's start with the worst. Number 9. 7-Eleven gas. Looks convenient, right? Easy to spot, familiar, and just down the street, but here's the truth. This fuel can quietly wreck your engine over time. 7-Eleven doesn't refine its own gasoline. Each station buys from local suppliers, meaning no consistency, no guaranteed detergents, and fuel quality can swing wildly from one pump to the next. One Camry owner filled up and soon returned with misfires. Tests showed ethanol at 18%, way over the labeled 10%. Too much ethanol throws off your air-to-fuel ratio, especially in older engines, leading to rough idles or misfires. Some stations use older underground tanks, which increases the risk of water or sediment contamination. Small, invisible, but deadly over time. Injectors clog, O2 sensors fail, repairs add up fast. $450 to $900 for injectors, $200 to $350 for oxygen sensors. Convenience comes at a cost. Quick stop, yes. Long-term engine health, not so much. It might save you a few minutes, but it costs your engine thousands in the long run. And if you think that's bad, the next brand takes inconsistency to a whole new level. Number 8. Sam's Club. Here you get warehouse prices, with the warehouse-level shortcuts to match. Low costs are tempting, but your engine isn't impressed. Sam's Club sources fuel from a mix of local suppliers, which means every tank is a lottery. Sometimes you get clean gas, other times it's stale, cloudy, or even contains a splash of water. It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Modern engines rely on consistent detergent levels to keep injectors and valves clean. Sam's Club gasoline fails top-tier certification, meaning it barely meets EPA minimums. Your engine doesn't get the protection it needs. Over time, small issues snowball. Carbon buildup, sluggish throttle, misfires, and more. Repairs aren't cheap. Carbon cleaning can run $300 to $1,200, and replacing clogged injectors, easily $700 plus. That's savings at the pump. It could cost thousands down the road. Sam's Club might look like a smart bargain, but it's really a gamble on your engine's health. Up ahead, this one glitters like premium, but your engine may pay the price. Number 7. Circle K. They are everywhere, and the branding looks polished, but the fuel behind the pumps is anything but consistent. Circle K doesn't refine its own gasoline and skips proprietary formulas, instead buying from whoever offers the cheapest bulk supply. That means detergent levels, ethanol content, and overall quality swing wildly from one delivery to the next. One Tahoe owner filled up Sunday night. By Monday morning, the SUV wouldn't start. Drained the tank, and water contamination had wrecked the fuel pump and injectors. A $3,400 repair bill. That's not a fluke. In 2020, several Circle K stations were fined for selling contaminated fuel, sparking complaints from dozens of drivers. Mechanics see it too. Engines running Circle K often develop a dark, sticky burnt sugar layer on piston tops, a classic sign of weak detergents. Carbon buildup like this slowly strangles performance, causing rough idles, misfires, and sluggish throttle response. Convenient, sure, but your engine pays the price. Circle K wears the big brand mask, yet every tank hides a roll of the dice for your fuel system. Still with me? This highway favorite catches every eye, yet every tank quietly sets your engine up for trouble down the road. Number 6. Speedway. Performance promise, reality check. This highway favorite often falls short. Most Speedway locations skip top-tier certification, which means their fuel only meets the bare minimum detergent levels. Modern engines need more, or carbon starts building faster than you notice. Mechanics see a consistent pattern with long-term users. injectors clog earlier than expected, throttle response feels sluggish, and fuel economy drops. That sticky buildup doesn't just slow your car, it slowly destroys components over time. Storage tanks add another layer of risk. Some are older, allowing small amounts of water or sediment to sneak in. That can damage pumps and injectors, leading to repair bills that often top $1,000. While not every station has problems, the inconsistency makes every fill-up a gamble. One day your engine purrs, the next it sputters. Next up is the road tripper's go-to. Sadly, every fill-up feels like playing roulette with your engine. Number 5. Love's travel stops. Bright lights, open all night, coffee ready. Fuel tanks, questionable. Love's is the go-to for road warriors and long-haul drivers. You can always find it. You can't always trust it. Hundreds of stations run non-stop, and keeping every underground tank spotless? Mission impossible. In 2022, state inspectors spotted microbial growth in multiple tanks. Mechanics call it green jelly. It clogs filters, starves injectors, and turns engines into reluctant smokers. One bad fill-up can lead to $1,500+ in repairs before you even know it. Love's gas is not top-tier certified. Detergents are bare minimum. Modern engines, especially direct injection beasts, accumulate carbon faster than you can say check engine light. Sluggish throttle, lower MPG, and gradual wear are the silent killers here. Even diesel isn't immune. Drivers report wildly inconsistent additive levels from one location to another. Your tank might be lucky, or it might be a chemistry experiment gone wrong. Love's delivers convenience, but behind the pump, every fill-up is a gamble for your engine's health. Now, this next brand fools drivers with nostalgia, but what's inside the tank isn't old-school quality. Number 4. Amoco. This is the name your parents trusted, but your car is about to learn otherwise. Amoco used to be premium, but today, it's mostly BP regular grade fuel under a familiar logo. Detergent levels are weaker than top-tier brands, leaving modern engines exposed. Mechanics see the pattern. Direct injection cars hit 60 to 80,000 miles with carbon buildup that should take twice as long. Sluggish throttle, rough idle, early injector wear. The silent sabotage starts early. Not all stations are top-tier certified. Fuel quality varies by supplier. Older tanks can leak tiny amounts of water, leading to pump wear, injector corrosion, and head start headaches. Even a little moisture creates long-term damage your wallet notices later. Amoco keeps the nostalgic name. The fuel behind it? Less protection than your engine deserves. And speaking of big brands with big issues, here's one with a federal scandal on its resume. It's convenient, popular, and a full-blown engine gamble. Number 3. Pilot or Flying J. They're everywhere on America's highways, but the logo hides a sketchy history and inconsistent fuel quality. Back in 2013, the FBI raided headquarters over a massive rebate fraud. Cutting corners isn't just a corporate story, it spills out at the pump. Mechanics see the results all the time. Water and sediment creeping in from aging tanks, sloppy maintenance, and inconsistent deliveries. Even a tiny bit of contamination can trigger misfires, rough idle, or early injector wear. Pilot's fuel is built for low cost, not high detergents, and it's not top-tier certified. Fill up occasionally on a road trip? Usually fine. Fill up weekly? That convenience can quietly cost you. Mild engine knock, uneven idle, carbon buildup. It's fast, cheap, and convenient, but your engine takes the hit over time. Moving on, we have a brand tied to racing, yet it's ironically one of the dirtiest for regular drivers. Number 2. Sunoco Regular Grade. Its racing pedigree tricks a lot of drivers into thinking their pumps deliver the same high-performance fuel. Reality check, race fuel and regular gas are worlds apart. What's in your tank isn't scrubbing your engine, it's quietly building up gunk. The regular grade is weak on detergents, leaving modern engines, especially direct injection setups, vulnerable to carbon buildup. Over time, throttle response lags, idles wobble, and injectors start begging for mercy. Sunoco has also stumbled with regulators. In 2016, EPA inspections found off-spec blends and water contamination at multiple stations. That's misfires, rough cold starts, and long-term damage for your fuel system. Older port injection engines tolerate it better. Modern high-precision engines, every tank is a gamble. Consistent use accelerates wear, erodes performance, and can shave years off engine life. Sunoco looks fast on the outside, but under the pump, it's a slow death for your engine. And now the ultimate nightmare. Fuel that wasn't just dirty, it was criminal. Number 1. Lamb fuel and waste fuel blenders. This isn't gasoline, it's chemical roulette. The worst fuel problems don't come from big brands. They come from illegal blending operations that mix industrial waste, leftover solvents, and used oil into what they sell as regular unleaded. Companies like Lamb Fuel have been involved in EPA cases where contaminated or off-spec fuel was sold to unbranded stations without drivers ever knowing what they were pumping. And when engines run on these mixtures, the results can be catastrophic. EPA investigations have documented vehicles with melted injectors, seized engines, and destroyed catalytic converters after using waste-blended gasoline. One of the worst cases involved a family car that stalled just 31 miles after filling up at a station supplied by a waste fuel blender. By the time the vehicle reached the shop, the engine had seized completely, and the only fix was a full replacement costing around $7,000. Waste fuel blenders operate outside the standards every legitimate company follows. There are no detergents, no consistency, and no safeguards. Just contaminated fuel disguised as a bargain. That's the dark side of gasoline. But not all fuel is out to sabotage your engine. Some brands actually care. They invest in detergents, tank maintenance, and formulas that keep engines clean, smooth, and long-lasting. These next 5 fuels are the ones mechanics trust, high-mileage drivers swear by, and is the type of gas engines actually thank you for. Time to flip the script and fill up smart. Number 5. Chevron with Techron. This isn't just gas, it's a cleaning machine. The secret? Techron, a powerhouse detergent that scrubs carbon like a tiny engine janitor. Most cheaper fuels can't touch it. Cars running Chevron stay cleaner mile after mile. Mechanics often see vehicles with 150,000 to 280,000 miles still rocking spotless valves, smooth idles, and strong compression, all thanks to regular Chevron fill-ups. It's top-tier certified, meaning it beats the detergent standards automakers usually recommend. The payoff? Engines that breathe easier, throttle that snaps back, and fuel economy that doesn't sneak away. Long-term carbon buildup becomes a minor annoyance instead of a wallet-busting nightmare. Fill up here and your engine isn't just surviving, it's thriving. Don't blink. What's next keeps engines fresher and stronger than you thought possible. Number 4. Shell V-Power Nitro Plus. If you want armor for your engine, Shell V-Power Nitro Plus is it. Its nitrogen-enriched detergent system forms a thin protective shield that keeps carbon off valves, injectors, and combustion chambers. No sticky buildup, no sluggish throttle. Consistency is the name of the game. Whether you're filling up in a sleepy town or a bustling city, the fuel's formula doesn't waver. Your engine gets the same reliable performance every time. Shell doesn't cut corners. V-Power Nitro Plus typically exceeds top-tier detergent standards by 40%, giving direct injection engines a serious advantage. That means smoother idle, cleaner valves, and long-term performance that doesn't fade. More than just gas, every tank cleans and protects your engine while saving you from repair bills. Shiny pumps don't tell the full story. This one will test every assumption you've had about fuel. Number 3. ExxonMobil Synergy. Consistency is king, and Synergy delivers it. Every grade from regular to premium, carries the exact same detergent package. No guesswork, no surprises. Your engine gets full protection with every fill-up. Independent SAE tests prove it. Synergy cleans intake valves up to 50% better than non-top-tier gas. That's not just numbers. It means smoother engines, sharper throttle, and slower carbon buildup over time. It doesn't stop at cleaning. Corrosion inhibitors and friction modifiers protect injectors, pumps, and metal components from long-term wear, turning each tank into a mini engine tune-up. For drivers chasing longevity and reliability, especially those eyeing 300,000 miles and beyond, Synergy isn't just fuel. It's insurance for your engine. Fill up, drive hard, and let chemistry do the heavy lifting. Coming up, warehouse prices, premium protection, and one of the best-kept fuel secrets you didn't know existed. Number 2. Costco top-tier gasoline. This is proof that you don't have to compromise. Their fuel packs detergent levels that rival and often surpass big-name premium brands. Every fill-up is like a mini tune-up for your engine. High turnover keeps gas fresh. Tanks empty and refill constantly, which means no stale fuel, no water lurking in the bottom, and no slow-acting carbon disasters. Add aerospace-grade filtration and continuous monitoring, and contamination rarely even makes it past the nozzle. Mechanics notice the difference. Cars running Costco regularly hit 250 to 300,000 plus miles with injectors still clean, valves nearly deposit-free, and fuel trims rock solid. For anyone logging serious miles, commuters, road warriors, or long-haul drivers, Costco isn't just affordable, it's engine insurance you actually feel. Smooth throttle, fewer surprises, and performance that doesn't fade over time. All that power and protection is impressive. Now meet the one blend that doesn't just defend your engine, it actively cleans decades of gunk away. Number 1. BP Ultimate with Invigorate. This isn't your regular BP. Ultimate is in a league of its own. Packed with a high-strength Invigorate detergent package, it doesn't just slow carbon buildup. It actively scrubs existing deposits from valves, pistons, and injectors. Cheap gas leaves a sticky mess. BP Ultimate reverses it. One Range Rover owner switched after years of budget fuel. Weeks later, cylinder scope images showed hardened deposits melting away. Idle smooth, throttle response sharpened, and fuel trim stabilized, all without a costly teardown. Independent testing proves it. Engines run up to 60% cleaner than with standard EPA minimum fuels. That translates to stronger combustion, cleaner valves, and fewer injector or sensor headaches over the long haul. Stop feeding your engine junk that kills performance. Pump the right gas, keep it clean, and watch your ride thrive for hundreds of thousands of miles. Act now. Click the next video and give your car the care it deserves.